Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied about the various types of teeth or the four types of teeth which are present in our mouth. In this lecture I am going to tell you about the various parts of a tooth and what is tooth decay. You know, there in the diagram you will be able to see that the upper part of the tooth which we can see in our mouth is called crown, and the middle part of the tooth which is inside the gums is called neck, and the lower part which is generally it is embedded in the jaw bone, that is called the root of the tooth. You know that whatever white hard outer covering of tooth is present in our mouth which we can see by our eyes is called enamel, and in the diagram also you will be able to see what is enamel. The white hard outer covering of the tooth is called enamel. The part of tooth below the enamel is called dentine. Dentine is similar to bone, or you can say the bony part which is present after enamel, that is called dentine. Inside the dentine there is a pulp cavity which contain nerves and blood vessels. If the teeth are not cleaned regularly, then tooth decay takes place. Tooth decay is a process in which the tooth becomes rotten due to the formation of cavities or holes inside the teeth, leading to toothache. Let me tell you how toothache take place. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating food, then many harmful bacteria begin to grow and live on teeth. These bacteria act on the sugar present in the leftover food particles sticking to the teeth to form acid. This acid, thus formed, eats up the enamel and dentine of the tooth gradually, and ultimately it makes a hole in the tooth, or it makes a cavity in the tooth. When the cavity reaches the pulp cavity of the tooth which contain nerves, our tooth becomes painful and we get toothache. Students, by this diagram you will be able to see how tooth decay takes place. See in the diagram slowly. First, enamel is eaten by, or you can say enamel is eaten by the bacteria or the acid produced by the bacteria when they eat sugar or the food which is remained in teeth. When they produce the acid, this acid slowly or gradually eat the enamel, then it reaches to the dentine, and then slowly it reaches to the pulp cavity. If the cavities caused by tooth decay are not treated in time by fillings or with the help of dentist, then it may cause severe ache. In extreme cases, tooth decay can lead to the loss of whole teeth also. Excessive use of sugar containing foods such as sweets, chocolate, toffees, etc. are the major cause of tooth decay. So tooth decay can be prevented by many ways. We should remember all these things to prevent our tooth from tooth decay. Let me tell you what are the ways to prevent the teeth from tooth decay. We should rinse the mouth thoroughly with clean water after every meal. We should clean our teeth with a brush and a toothpaste at least twice a day. A dental floss also be used to take out food particles which are trapped between the teeth. We should eat less of sugary food such as sweets, chocolate, toffees, because whenever these sugary foods are present in our teeth, the bacteria present in the teeth produces acid that is harmful for teeth. So in this way we can prevent our tooth.